we are done with the nature of contract and the types of contract. Let's just take a small quiz on this topic. Dash contract is good in substance but suffers from some technical defect. Which contract is good in a sense, good in substance? It's almost like a valid contract, but it has some technical defect, some typographical error. Which contract is that? Valid, illegal, voidable, or unenforceable? It is unenforceable. Let's check. That's the answer. All innocent promises collateral to the main promise, which is illegal, contained in a contract will be regarded as A. Valid, B. Void, C. Illegal, third voidable. D. Voidable. The answer is void. We have already discussed that all collateral promises, all collateral contracts of illegal contracts, be it innocent or otherwise, will be void. Let's check. That's the answer. Next, cash withdrawal through ATM of a bank is A. Unilateral contract, B. Tacit contract, C. Executed contract, D. Executory contract. It is a tacit contract, a contract which is understood from the conduct or the action of the parties. That's the answer. A sells some smuggled goods at ₹100. The contract is void on the ground of A. Illegality, B. Opposed to public policy, C. Fraudulent, D. None of the above. Smuggling is an offense, so it's an illegal act. So the contract would be void on the ground of illegality. Okay. Next, collateral agreement to an illegal agreement is A. Void, B. Valid, C. Lawful, D. Enforceable. We've just done this. Collateral agreement to an illegal agreement is void. Next, an agreement to put a fire on a person's car is A. Illegal, B. Voidable, C. Valid, D. Illegal. What is it? It's legal, or it is voidable, it's valid, or it's illegal. It obviously is illegal. You cannot harm or injure the property of other person. So such an act would be illegal. Okay. Next, implied contract, even if not in writing or express words, is perfectly dash if all the conditions are satisfied. If you make an implied contract is a contract understood by the conduct and words are not spoken, not written. So it will be void, or it will be voidable, or it will be valid or illegal if all the conditions are satisfied. If all the conditions are satisfied, an implied contract will be valid. A contract need not be in writing. A contract need not be in spoken words. It can also remain valid even if the parties intend to do so from their action. A contract which is understood from the behavior, conduct, or the actions of the parties is also valid.